Hey guys, welcome back to Don't Memorize Math. So today we are discussing very important topic, that is factorizing factorizing quadratic expressions. Okay, so this topic I am taking because of one of the email that I got yesterday regarding some concerns of IGCSE exam. So what you have to think always, anyway you have an IGCSE exam coming, so keep pushing yourself, make sure you are practicing the past paper questions, focus on the concept. If you are studying one of the topic, make sure you master it. Okay, so when you are practicing one past paper question, what you have to think is that just all the types of question from that question. Like if you are just doing one quadratic expression factorization, okay, so make sure you know if any type of question from those that topic you can solve it. Okay, so like that you have to practice. If you don't know anything, ask and clear. Don't worry about what teacher thinks if I ask some stupid doubts in this time. No, don't think about it. Just ask and clear your doubt. What you have to think is you should get very good marks, right? Whatever you did till now, keep it there. Whatever happens, or you got very low marks in your class, or you got A star, or very good marks in the class, nothing matters. The thing matters is the upcoming IGCSE examinations. So keep that in mind. If you didn't write in the coming exam, it's a failure of these years. If you did very good, it's excellent. So make sure, so when you if you have any doubt, clear it now itself and move forward. Nothing will happen. Give your 100% each and every day, so that you can achieve anything. Okay, there will be some mistakes or something will happen, that doesn't matter. So but make sure you are doing your 100% and do only good things. Okay, be your best. Okay, so we will start with this topic now, factorizing quadratic expressions. So factorizing quadratic expressions, before starting I will tell you what do you mean by factorization. So this word factorization is, I will give you one example for that. That means if you have x plus 2 times x plus 2 times x plus 4. Okay, so if you are expanding the bracket, x times x is x square, x times 4 is 4x, 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 4 is 6. So you will get x square plus 2 times 4 is 8, right? So x square plus 6x plus 8, right? This process, that means this bracket we change to one single expression, that is called expanding bracket. Okay, this is called expanding bracket. So opposite of that, if you have a quadratic expression like this, if you want to change into them to a bracket, that is called factorization. Okay, so the process of changing this expression to bracket is called factorization. So x plus 2 and x plus 4, we call them as factors of x square plus 6x plus 8. They are the factors. Okay, like we are writing 6 and 3 times 2. 3 and 2 are factors of 6, right? In the same way, x square plus 6x plus 8 has two factors, x plus 2 and x plus 4. Okay, so I hope you understood the word meaning of factorization. Okay, so now we will discuss what are the types of factorization of quadratic equations we have, or quadratic expressions we have. See here, the first type is coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, second type is coefficient of x square is not 1. What do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient means number with. Okay, number with x square is 1 and number with x square is not 1. The third type is difference between squares. So all these three will be discussing in this video, and after this video you can solve almost all the type of quadratic expression. Okay, you can factorize it. Okay, so first one, coefficient of x square is 1. So I will write a question for you. First we are using the method is called sum and product method. Okay, I will tell you how to do it. So we have x square plus 6x plus 8. Okay, so when you have a quadratic expression with the coefficient of x square, that means the number with x square is 1. This is same as 1x square, right? So that is the coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, so first you have to write sum and product. Okay, sum and product. So remember, sum is always the number with x. Whatever number you have with x, that is the sum. So here the sum is 6. If you have negative 6, you have to write negative 6. Here we have positive 6. So sum is 6. Okay, and the product. Product is the number without x. You have x here, you have x here. Here we don't have any x, or we can say this is the constant one. So product is 8, or you can just take 8 times 1, that is same as 8. So sum is 6 and product is 8. So what do you mean by sum? Sum means addition. The 2 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is the sum of 2 and 3, like that. Okay. Product means multiplication. Okay. So now we need to find two numbers. The same two numbers, if you are multiplying, you have to get 8. The same two numbers, if you are adding, you should get 6. So the best method is just split the 8 and check. Okay, if you are directly finding it, that's the perfect way. You can directly write the numbers here. If you don't know, just split this 8. How can we split 8? 1 times 8 is 8, right? 1 times 8 is 8. If 1 plus 8 is 6, can we get 1 or minus 1 minus 8 is 6? Can we get 6 from 1 and 8? No. So this is not the perfect way. So second, how can we split 8? 8 will be 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So what about 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. So 2 times 4 is 8. The same number you need to add here, 2 plus 4. Okay, so we have two numbers whose sum is 6 and product is 8. So now we can factorize the given quadratic expression. That is, the first number is 2 here. So the first factor will be x plus 2. Second number is 4. So the second factor will be x plus 4. So now we factorize the expression x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to x plus 4 times x plus 2. Okay, so if you are writing x plus 4 here and x plus 2 the next, no problem, it's the same. Multiplication is commutative. Okay, so this is factorization of quadratic expression. So we will discuss one more question like this. I will write the question, that is x square plus 7x plus 12. Is that okay? Yeah. X square plus 7x plus 12. Okay. So what is sum? Sum is the number with x. So here the number with x is 7. So sum is 7. What is product? Product is constant number or the number without x, that is 12. So you can 12. So now we need to find two numbers. Those two numbers, if you are adding, you have to get 7. If you are multiplying those two numbers, you should get 12. Okay, how can we find it? If you are finding it directly here, you write here and write the factors. No problem for that. Okay, so if you don't know, just please split the 12. So how can we split 12? 12 times 1 is 12, but 12 plus 1 is not 7, right? So this is not the pair. Then 2 times 6. 2 times 6 is 12, but 2 plus 6 is not 7. So this is not the pair. Next we have how we will get 12. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. What about 3 plus 4? It is 7. So this is the pair. So the numbers are 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. And the same 3 and 4, if you are adding, you will get 7. So the first number is 3. So the first factor is x plus 3. And second number is 4. So you can write the factor x plus 4. So we factorize the given quadratic expression, that is x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to x plus 3 times x plus 4. Okay, now we will discuss the same type, that is coefficient of x square is 1 with some negative numbers. Okay, let's see the coefficient of x square became negative or the constant became negative, how to find it. Okay, so I will write the questions here. I will write two questions here. We will discuss that. So yeah, the first question, x square minus 12x plus 32? This is the first question. Second question is x square minus 7x minus 18. Okay, let's factorize it. So first we will write the sum. Sum is the number with x. So here the number with x is minus 12. And what is product? Product is constant number, that is plus 32. Okay, so now we need to find two numbers whose sum is minus 12 and product is 32. So we are gonna split what? Split 32. Okay, how we will get 32? 1 times 32 is 32. So 1 times 32 we cannot get, if you are adding or subtracting, we cannot get 12, right? So it is not the correct pair. So the second pair is 2 times 16. So 2 times 16, 2 and 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, we cannot get the sum. 16 minus 2 is 40. No, sum we cannot get minus 12 as sum. Okay, so this is not the pair. Then third you can write 3 and 32, we don't have. So 4 and 8, 4 times 8 is 32. Okay, so 4 and 8, what is 4 plus 8? 4 plus 8 is 12. So this is the correct pair. So 4 times 8 is 32. 4 plus 8 is, it is not minus 12, it is just 12. So how to get minus 12 from 4 and 8? It must be minus 4 and minus 8. So minus 4 plus minus 8 is minus 12. Minus 4 times minus 8. The same numbers we should get here. So minus 4 times minus 8 is plus 32. Minus minus, if you are multiplying, it will become plus. Okay. So the first number we have here is minus 4. So the first factor will be very careful, we have minus 4. So it will be x minus 4. So second number is minus 8. So the second factor will be x minus 8. Okay. Then this is the factors. So we factorize the first one. So we'll do the factorization for the second one in the same way. So write sum. Sum is negative 7, the number with x. Product is negative 18. So now we need two numbers. So sum is negative 18 and product is product is minus 18 and sum is negative 7. So split 18. 1 and 18 is 18. Okay, just when you multiply, no need to put negative here. Okay, so if you are putting negative here, one pair will be minus 1 and 18 and the other pair will be minus 18 and 1. So no need to put the negative here. Okay, then we cannot get the sum as minus 7, no chance. So 2 and 9. 2 and 9, 2 minus 9 is minus 7 and 2 times 9 is 18. Yes, this is the correct pair, 2 and 9. So we have 2 times 9 is 18, but we have negative 18. Let's see which one will become negative. Okay, so here minus 2 plus 9 is not negative 7. So it must be 2 plus minus 9. So minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. So 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. So the numbers are 2 and negative 9. So the factors are x plus 2. We have 2 there. So the first factor is x plus 2. We have minus 9. So the second factor will be x minus 9.